Welcome! It's a great day to be a miner. In today's video, we have some amazing new hardware to unbox. Let's stop gabbing and let's tear into it. Spin that intro. The question at hand today is, should you be buying graphics cards and mining equipment in today's current climate? We're gonna tear into that question, but first, let's go tear into some packages. We got a whole bunch of new hardware to open. Let's dig into it. Hey, how are ya? We got a lot of cool new stuff to unbox. Let's stop gabbing. Let's start tearing into it. But first, let's make some space. Ready, set, go. That never gets old. You know what time it is. RGB knife. Engage. All right, so let's start with this one. As you can see, it is a box from Newegg, and I got this on a deal. I didn't really need it, but I might need it down the road because, of course, RGB adds hash rate. Put it on the screen. That's what we got here. We got some RGB goodness. And these are two 3-packs of AsiaHorse RGB 120mm fans. And I really didn't need these, and the only reason I picked them up, they were only $15 for a 3-pack with the hub and remote control for only $15 per. So a box of 6 fans with 2 hubs ran me only 30 bucks. Let's take a look at one of these. I'm just really curious what I got for 30 bucks. I know they went up to about double that price after purchasing. Man, these look good. I'm not gonna lie, these look really nice. They have the RGB ring that goes around them, and they kind of have a translucent and white shroud. I bet these are going to be pretty solid looking. They do have a proprietary plug on the end, and then they plug into a little hub here. And the hub looks pretty decent. AsiaHorse says real big right on the back, and of course it has a little RGB generic remote control to go with it. But man, for 30 bucks for 6 fans with 2 hubs and 2 remote controls, it's hard to beat. All right, these next 2 are both from the same place, from the infamous EVGA B-stock. Let's see what we got. All right. Both of these I picked up. Both are actually out of the 20 series. They are both supers because I'm trying to increase the density and get rid of any of my lower hashing GPUs. And of course, the nice standard black box. This is a 2070 Super EVGA XC Ultra model with the beautiful RGB. We can pop it up on the screen real quick, and then let's go ahead and open our next score. All right, and this one we already know is from EVGA B-stock as well. And I picked both of these up. The first one ran me $580 after tax and shipping and all that fun thing. And this one ran me EVGA plain black box because that's par for the B-stock. And this one is the EVGA RTX 2070 Super Gaming Black Edition, so no fancy RGB. This one only ran me $550 after tax and shipping, so not too bad for 42 to 44 mega hash. And hopefully I can crank down the power on this thing to around 95 watts, give or take. Some go a little lower, some have to go a little higher on your supers. Really great hashing cards. Let's go. All right, so these are the more fun. The next 4 are all from eBay, and I did pay a bit of a scalper price, and they are all used. But man, these are amazing cards, and I went on a little bit of a spree, and I couldn't help myself. So let's hope these are all in really good condition and they all are working perfectly. First thing I always do when I get a used GPU, I slap it into the test bench and I put it through some testing and some rounds and make sure that there's no kind of memory issues or overheating or anything like that. This was really poorly packed, by the way. He just kind of jammed it in the medium flat rate box and smashed the end on it to make it extra long just so it fit. But at least inside, it is nicely wrapped and let's take a look. And in this kind of beat up box is the RTX 3060 Ti Founders Edition. I love the Founders Editions cards, and that's why I've picked up a few of these recently, and this should hash between 60 to 62 mega hash and around 120 watts, give or take, if everything works as it should. And this one ran me just under $800 counting taxes and shipped to my door. All right, next let's go ahead and open this one up. Again, eBay purchase. This one is the RTX 3070. This is the Rev 1 Asus Tuf Edition. This is a full hash rate card, and of course I picked it up used on eBay, and it ran me for just under $800 counting taxes and shipping to my door. So hopefully this one tests out well and works well. And again, 60 to 62 mega hash all day on Ethereum, between 120 and 130 watts. Moving on. All right, next one, he shipped it in a bag. I really don't like when people go cheap and ship an expensive item in a bubble mailer. That's just lazy and cheap, and you're asking for trouble, and eventually stuff's gonna break and you're gonna regret being cheap on your shipping. All right, another RTX 3070 Founders Edition card. Again, used, and the box got beat up because, yeah, he shipped it in a bubble mailer, and I'm not really surprised that the box got beat up a little bit that way. But if the card's working for just over $800, I'll be happy with this purchase. Let's move on. All right, last one. Let's take a look. We've already got 3 30 series full hash rate cards sitting here on the table, each for around $800, and this one is no different. Let's see what it looks like. What's in the box? And there it is, another RTX 3070 full hash rate card, and this one, the box is in immaculate condition. It was well shipped. He even left his information on the curbside pickup from Best Buy. Let's see when he picked this up. This was originally purchased on January 9th, 2021. So this card is coming in at about 15 months old. And if it works perfectly, I am great with that. This one was just under $800 as well. So let's go ahead and recap this. All right, so there you have it, a nice full day. Should you be buying graphics cards right now? Everybody wants to know, should you buy graphics cards right now? My answer, no. You probably shouldn't be buying graphics cards right now. That being said, if you hit a deal on a full hash rate card, I don't blame you for buying it. Should you buy this many graphics cards right now in the current climate? Probably not. Probably not. The prices are on a steady decline. And if you're buying now, you're probably gonna have cost yourself some money in a month. In a month, this card might be $600. Brand new, a 3070 is $500. Brand new, a 3060 Ti Founders Edition is $400. I have a feeling that 60 Ti is definitely going to hit $600 in a month. The 70 is going to hit $700 in a month. I paid $800. I paid almost $800. So I might be costing myself money. But these were all good deals at the current climate, so I went ahead and scooped them up. I'm going to get them all tested out. I'm going to get them on the rigs, and I'm going to get them running. I'm going to get them hashing, and we're going to keep on climbing. Let's keep mining together. Thank you for coming along with me as always. Let's go ahead and cut to that outro. Well, there you have it. Brand new hardware, 6 new GPUs, some new amazing Founders graphics cards, all to get mining. Should you be buying graphics cards right now? I don't know the answer to that. I'm buying. I don't necessarily believe that you should be buying. I think maybe you should be waiting for the prices to continue to decline. We are on a steady decline, and it is declining rapidly. Make sure to take advantage of any deals that happen to come across. If you like the video, you know what to do. Smash that like button and subscribe for future content. As always, thanks for coming along and enjoy the ride.